We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for weight loss. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface where you can start interacting with the AI. Begin by asking ChatGPT for a personalized weight loss plan. You can type something like, "Can you help me create a weight loss plan?" ChatGPT can provide you with guidance on meal planning, exercise routines, and even motivation tips. If you have specific dietary preferences or restrictions, make sure to mention them. For example, "I need a vegetarian diet plan for weight loss." You can also ask for weekly progress tracking advice or tips to overcome common obstacles like cravings or emotional eating. ChatGPT is great at offering suggestions for low-calorie recipes or ways to incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine. If you're unsure about certain exercises, you can ask ChatGPT to explain them or provide alternatives. Remember to set realistic goals and regularly check in with ChatGPT for advice on maintaining your progress. It's like having a personal coach available 24/7. And don't forget to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.